It's time to learn with Finn and Pip. Welcome to our ocean trek. Today, we need a special color for the sea, so I brought blue and green.
Ooh, blue like the sky and green like the grass. But how do they make an ocean?
Watch this magic swirl, Pip. When we mix them together, swish, swish. Wow, it changed. It's not blue and it's not green, it's teal. Exactly. Teal is the perfect color for our adventure. Let's dive in. Here we go, into the deep, deep teal sea.
Oh my, look who is swimming our way. Hello there, friend.
Hi, turtle. Look at that amazing shell on his back. It matches our teal color. It feels so smooth and very hard. Knock, knock. Is anyone home? That hard shell keeps him safe. And look at the shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides.
Bye-bye, turtle. Thanks for letting me touch your teal shell.
Let's see what else is hiding in this teal water. This way, Pip. Whoa, it's an underwater forest. This is called seaweed.
It's dancing. Look, Finn, I'm waving just like the seaweed. Whoosh, whoosh.
It's not hard like the turtle shell. This feels slippery, wet, and soft. You're right. My quills are prickly, but the teal seaweed is super smooth. The forest is clearing a path for us. Good waving, Pip.
Wading through the water. I wonder what shape we will find next.
Look, a star. But it's not in the sky. It's on a rock. That's a starfish, Pip. It's got a bumpy texture. Let's count its arms.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bumpy arms.
Great counting. A star shape has 5 points, just like this. Bye, starfish. Keep shining in the teal water. It's getting a little darker over here, Pip. Stay close. Whoa, look up. It's a jellyfish. It's like a floating lamp.
It's so pretty, but it looks squishy.
Is it magic? It's bioluminescent. That's a big word that means it makes its own light. See the glow? Hello, glowfish. You light up the dark ocean. That is so helpful. Up it goes. Now that we have more light, let's see what else is floating around. I hear something popping. Pop, pop, pop. What is that? It's a bubble. A giant round teal bubble. It's huge. It's a perfect sphere. Look, I can see my nose in the reflection. It's very delicate. I'm going to touch it very gently. It's wiggly. Pop! That's what bubbles do. They hold air and then they burst. Oops! Sorry, Finn. That was fun, though. It vanished into thin water. Watch your step, Pip. I see something bumpy ahead. This is coral. It looks like a rock or a plant, but it's actually alive. Alive? It looks like a bumpy castle. Oh, I saw a fishy peek out. Feel this, Pip. It's rough and scratchy, not smooth like the bubble or the turtle. It is scratchy. It's like a safe, strong house for the little fish. Bye, little fish. Keep safe in your coral home. We have one more treasure to find. I see something spiral in the sand. Let's dig it up. It's a seashell. It goes round and round and round. It's a spiral shape. Did you know seashells can sing? Well, sort of. Shh, I'm listening.
Whoa! It sounds like the ocean is inside.
It's the sound of the air moving around inside the hard spiral. Pretty cool, right? I'm keeping this sound for later. It's relaxing. Oh, I hear a splash. That sounded big! Let's meet our final ocean friend. A dolphin! They are the best jumpers in the sea. Whee!
It jumps so high! Hello, dolphin! Do you want to play?
It feels smooth and rubbery, like a wet boot. This helps them swim super fast.
I can jump too! Look at me! Splash!
He's off to find his family. We should head back to land too, Pip.
Look! A treasure chest to finish our adventure!
Let's see what we collected on our Teal Ocean Trek. We started by mixing blue and green to make teal. And we met the turtle, the jellyfish, and the jumping dolphin. The ocean is full of magic. I love the ocean. It's mysterious and beautiful. Can we come back soon? Of course! Thanks for swimming with us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye-bye, everyone. Splash you later.
Wow, we learned so much today. If you had fun with us, click that big red subscribe button right there. And please ring the little bell too. That way, you'll always know when our next adventure begins. Bye-bye!